This time we have to solve this formula for n. N is the part of the fraction. We have n in the numerator and in the denominator. I said anytime we want to eliminate fraction, we have to multiply both sides equation by the denominator. Okay, let me copy this down one more time. So we have theta 108 n minus 2 over n. Said we have to multiply both sides equation by denominator, so by n. N and n will cancel out. So I have n theta equals 108 and I have n minus 2 inside of the parentheses. N is inside of the parentheses. I want to pull out n from the parentheses out, okay? So how I can do that? I simply eliminate the parentheses by distributing 108 into every single term inside of or variable the parentheses. So if n theta equals 108 times n is 108n, 108 times negative 2 is minus 216. Okay? Now I have n on the left side of the equal sign and I have n on the right side of the equal sign. I have to bring all n's to one side. That's why I'm going to take this term and move it to the left side of the equal sign. That's why I'm going to have n theta minus 108 n equals negative 216. Okay, next I'm supposed to factorize n from these two terms. I'm going to have n, and inside of the parentheses I'm going to write everything whatever left. Theta minus 108 equals negative 216. Okay, I'm looking for n. I have to make sure that I'm not going to have anything multiplied to n. So what I'm supposed to do next? I have to divide both sides of the equation by everything, whatever is multiplied to n, simply by theta minus 108. Theta minus 108. Parentheses are going to cancel out, okay? And I'm going to end up with n equals minus 216 over theta minus 108. Okay? Now, many students ask me, what's going to be the answer? Remember, anytime we have negative sign in the numerator and there is no sign in the denominator, means there is positive, invisible positive sign. We have fraction bar. Fraction bar is the division. Negative divided by positive is negative. That's why n is equal negative 216 over theta minus 108. This is the solution to my problem.